Hello. So this is the status. The wall is up. Haven't bothered to paint it. That's going to be one of the last things I'm doing. But these are the base cabinets that I'm going to reuse. And the problem is, this had a water leak in it, and Travis tried to fix it with epoxy glue. Obviously, it didn't do well. So the bottom of this is all rotted, and it needs a new piece of wood. And I'm going to have the contractor cut that. And then once that's cut, then I'll repaint everything else. But so this is going to be the sink cabinet. And then the renter will have a cabinet with drawers. And then a cabinet with, like, I call it the potato. You know, where you put your potatoes or whatever. There's a drawer on top. I'm going to repaint all of these, obviously. And here is the box with the bathroom wall. The 3 walls for the tub. The tub is actually outside. It arrived in good condition. I didn't open this one up yet, but I'm hoping it's in good condition. This is what it looks like underneath that sink. And as you can see, it's going to need new plumbing. You can see where there was black mold forming. So this is actually going to have to be cleaned up pretty good. Yeah. That is the old exhaust where the stove used to be. And I don't know if you can see, but back there, it's hollow. I don't know why they angled this wall, but it's a waste of space. So what we're going to do, we're going to square this off here. And so the kitchen will be square. And the difference is this is going to be where the base cabinets are. Only base cabinets. And then as you go in here, it'll be, I guess, I'll square off I think, what is it? Oh, is it the refrigerator? The refrigerator and the stove are going to be here. And I guess the counter will go, so the counter will go straight, and then the stove and the refrigerator here, and then here we're going to actually do we're going to push this wall back. So we're going to take back this little wall here, and it's going to be a washer and dryer hookup, but I am not going to supply the washer and dryer hookup. We're going to reuse the sink. I'm going to just clean that up. Happy, get out of there. Get out of there. Get it. We're throwing this thing away. It's old. It's full of grease. I'm not going to even bother. So we haven't dealt with the floor issue yet, but that's what's going on. So this is the status for the renters. Actually, this is going to be the living room. That's why as you come in, as you come in here, this is the door. It's a very narrow door, but as you come into the unit, this wall is going to be gone. So it'll be an open floor plan. You're going to walk in and you're immediately in the living room, the dining room area. Back there will be the kitchenette. This will be removed. The washer and dryer is going to be removed. It's not going to the renter. And this room here is going to be removed. This used to be a storage room. It's just not working. I'd rather have an open floor plan. So that's what's going on. So I am now waiting, believe it or not, for the vanity for the bathroom. It arrived and it's broken. So can't call in the plumber yet to hook everything up yet. But I wonder if the plumber expects me to clean that. Probably, huh? Probably. I gotta put that on my list. Alright, I gotta go buy bleach. Alright, y'all, have a good day. As you can see, it's fall here. Well, it's actually December, and getting ready for Hanukkah. So the other side of the house is all decorated But I think you're right. I think I'm supposed to clean this and paint this. I think that's what he's waiting for. You know, I hate to say it didn't even occur to me that I had to do this until now. There. So there's a better way, so you could definitely see the black mold there. I gotta buy bleach. Okay, something more for me to do. All right, y'all. Happy Hanukkah. And I'll make another video of the Hanukkah decorations I've done. But all right, God bless. Be safe.